Make the stance. Arm out in front of you, hand into a fist, knuckles to the floor. I want complaints about the noise from Kegworth. 1, 2, 3!
Yes!
That was pathetic. Stay standing. Do you seriously expect me to believe that 4 times world kickboxing champion gets into a ring going, yep, and then looking awkwardly around the room to see if anyone's laughing at him? No. So, ladies and gentlemen, either go cow or go rhino. One time, let's do it. Make the stance, arm out in front of you, hand into a fist, knuckles to the floor, take the roof off. 1, 2, 3!
Yes!
Take a seat. And now notice the change in your physical, mental and emotional state. Would you agree? Yeah, it only works. But here's the thing. Can I suggest the next time you're in the meeting of your life and things are getting a bit stressed? No, you're way ahead of me, aren't you? Can I suggest you don't go, excuse me, I just need to anchor a positive state of mind. Come on! Because they'll go, freak! Ladies and gentlemen, if I was to show you how you could do that without looking a peanut, would that serve you today?